Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, 2013. It's now 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets all closed down again today, but they closed off of their lows of the day. The S&P closed down again. However, it's still bullish, and price remains in the longer-term uptrend channel framed by the black dashed lines. Resistance is at 1825 as seen by the light pink oval. Support remains at 1625 as seen by the light green oval. The US dollar closed down, and it remains in the downward channel framed by the black dashed lines. Support is at 21.07 as seen by the light green oval, and resistance is at 22.98 as seen by the light pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for December 3rd. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 2 strong currencies and 3 weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the Euro Aussie dollar, the Euro CAD, and the Euro Yen. The Pound Aussie dollar, the Pound CAD, and the Pound Yen. For open trades, our order to buy 3 micros of the Euro Yen was hit, and we're now long 3 micros at 139.81. The stop loss is at 137.03. There were no new orders placed today. Our open trade is on the Euro Yen. Here's the price chart. As you can see, we entered at 139.81. Target number 1 is 140.89. And our stop loss is at 137.03. Let's quickly look at the price charts for the other 5 qualified pairs. Here's the Euro Aussie dollar. As you can see, we're in a short-term uptrend. However, we find longer-term resistance at 1.5031. Here's the Euro Canadian dollar. We are in a longer-term uptrend channel. However, the price is beginning to approach the upper edge of the channel. Here's the Pound Aussie dollar. We are in a short-term uptrend channel, and price is right at the upper edge. Here's the Pound Canadian dollar. We're in a longer-term uptrend channel, and price is very close to the upper edge of the channel. The last qualified pair is the Pound Yen. It's in a short-term uptrend channel, and price is right at the upper edge. Thank you for watching my daily Forex Trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please listen to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Selecting a Financial Instrument to Trade. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.